Earlier this week, HeyGears announced their latest machine, the HeyGears G1, which is the world's first fully color 3D printer and UV printing machine. Now, this is really exciting because this kind of technology was normally reserved for the high end of 3D printing. Not just mixing filaments or mixing colors in a way that makes it look like a colored 3D print. I mean full color 3D printing. And I recommend you check out that video I did about the announcement and the features this machine will have. But one of the key details that I wasn't aware of was how much is this machine going to cost? Because compared to that high-end level where these machines like the Stratasys J750, they are like $500,000 machines. And I'm not saying obviously this machine is not going to cost $500,000, but where does that bring it down to? And I wasn't sure. I was just making a guess. But many of you commented in the video, and thanks for everyone that watched and subscribed to that video, but you mentioned if you actually do the deposit, you can see what the prices are. So I figured let's do a quick update and show you what the price is for the HeyGears G1, because it's actually not as much as I was expecting. I'll put a link to this page in the description of the video, but this is where you can put your deposit so you can get that early VIP access price. And if you're at all interested in this machine, and this is not an affiliate link, go put a deposit in because you're going to lock in the best price. And at its full retail price, it is still a pretty expensive machine. So on this page, you can see some details about the G1, and it mentions what you get for your $50 deposit. So you can deposit $50, you'll have the VIP discount of $300 when the Kickstarter launches of the early bird pricing. You'll also get a free $49 UV white ink, and you'll also get priority shipping. This basically means that you're going to get $300 off that VIP pricing on Kickstarter when it's released, and you'll also get that $50 that you use as a deposit contributed towards your Kickstarter backing. You can also cancel this at any time before the actual launch. So if you change your mind and the launch isn't out yet, you can just cancel, get your $50 back. An interesting point here is you may also get priority access to join the beta tester program. So we don't know the details of that. That might just be software related. It might actually be access to the machine. Not too sure. There's worldwide shipping and a 1-year warranty. Now the actual product highlight, I'll just cover this a little bit because it was covered more in detail in that previous video, but it is a seamless integration with full color 3D build and 3D texture and 2D printing in a single machine. The way this machine is working, and I think the only way it can bring that level of full color technology into this sort of working area, is that it's using traditional 3D printing resin to build up the 3D depth, and then it's using the resin ink, the color ink, to print the outside where the color is actually on the model. And that's how it's building the model, but also adding color to it. Hopefully we see some videos in the near future where we can actually see some things printed, because I don't think it's going to be easy as just printing and pulling it out. There's going to be some post-processing involved with some of these prints. That's my assumption, but from my background, I think there's going to be a bit of post-processing in those full color prints. So we have full color 3D printing, no painting required. It does have some anti-clogging designs, so it's going to be mixing and agitating the ink so the print head doesn't clog up and need to be replaced all the time. That is a drawback to UV printers, and I warn anyone right now, if you're looking at this and you're considering it, these are machines that require money to keep running. They're not something that you can just play with a couple of times and put them in the corner. Doing that, your print head will probably seize up and get clogged, and you'll have to replace the print head, and that's going to be expensive. So you need to be aware that this machine needs to be run often. Just be aware of that. There is definitely an ongoing cost to these machines. And there is also ongoing costs in the consumables. The print head is considered a consumable in these type of machines. You will have to replace it at some stage. The resins are also consumables, and they're quite expensive. So that's another factor you need to consider as well. There's a lot of ongoing costs with these machines, and just be aware of that. It's not like a 3D printer I have in the background where you can just turn it off when you don't need to use it. Another interesting point is it has full color and transparency printed in the one. And you might see here, there is a little fighting fish in a block of transparent resin. So that's a really cool feature, that you can print these transparent models that you can see into and then see a little colored model inside. Really cool. It's 3 times faster than traditional UV printing, which we don't know what that number is coming from, but maybe it's comparing itself to something like the Eufy make. And they also have some AI one-click generation. If we have a look through some of the other images here, just give some details like you put on your deposit, secure the VIP price, refundable of course. Once the HeyGears G1 series is launched on Kickstarter, you'll also unlock an extra saving of $300 off the super early bird price, which is going to be the best price you can get on Kickstarter for this machine. And after the campaign ends, you'll be refunded the price difference and deposit within 14 days of the Kickstarter finishing. Down here, you have some more details, which I recommend just check out the other video I did. I'm not going to go into all this all over again. We're really interested in just the pricing here. Again, more stuff about what you can do, and you get a free UV ink as well, a white one. But here, this is what you're all here for, right? So you have your G1 starter pack, your base price, MSRP $2,699, which is reasonable compared to the Eufy make. The Kickstarter price, the limited VIP offer is going to be $16.99, so I'm assuming that is with the $300 discount for the VIP offer. We then have the G1X Starter Pack, and I'll go over the details of what each of these configurations are or variations are. Now, this one is normally $4,999 MSRP and Kickstarter launch price $2,999, all USD. And then you have the HeyGears G1X Full 3D Pack. Important thing there. Full 3D pack. MSRP $5,499 and Kickstarter launch price $3,299. So what are these different variations? G1 Starter Pack is basically your regular UV printer, and it can be upgraded to either the G1X or the G1X with full 3D capability. But this is just a UV printer. It's going to have some capability of depth up to 5 millimeters, as they all do, but that's all. It's just going to do your texture work. Outside of that, it's just a UV printer. The difference here is it also has a different print head. So it is using the F1080. Now, if you go up to the next option, which is the G1X Starter Pack, this has 8 channels instead of 6 channels. It's 3 times faster, and that's pretty much it. You can still do your 5mm depth in color, but you can't do your full 3D color stuff. You have to go to the G1X full 3D pack for that full color. And you can see the difference here. You have this big ink storage off to the side because this holds 8, which is called the Resin station. It holds 8 1000 ml bottles because when you're doing full 3D, it's going to use a lot of ink. This also has 8 channels because it's using that i3200. But the big difference here is that if you drop this down and you look at the printing areas, you'll notice that the G1 and the G1X both just show a standard flatbed and a mini flatbed, but in an XY dimension. So 420 by 330, and the mini flatbed is 130 by 230. And it's the same for the G1X, but the G1X full 3D package has a Z axis as well. So it has up to 130 millimeters height on the standard flatbed and 150 millimeters height on the mini flatbed. So that is the pricing for these machines. Just be aware, if you want this machine for full color printing, you need to get the G1X full 3D pack, and you're going to be paying $3,299 for that USD. This way you get the G1 machine, you also get that resin station next to it, and you're probably going to have to buy some ink as well, so it might end up costing a bit more than that. But obviously this is quite an expensive machine still. More affordable than we thought, but even at an MSRP of $54.99 now, that is quite steep. I have put my deposit down. I will consider purchasing one at this price. I'm just getting that deposit down now because I am interested. And I want to see some more content about this. I want to see it printing. I want to see it printing. I want to see it UV printing. I want to see the different attachments like rotaries and whatever else modules they have to go with this. We haven't seen a lot of that working yet. We just see the promotion material. Let's see some real stuff. And hopefully we see some real stuff as soon as possible. Let me know in the comments. Are you going to purchase one of these machines? Are you going to purchase it for the full 3D pack and that's your interest? Or are you just going to buy it for the standard G1 starter pack and just use it as the standard UV printer? Otherwise, if you're just curiously interested in this machine and you want to keep up to date with it, then I recommend subscribing to the channel because I'll talk about it and let you know all the details I find out about it. So that's all for this one. What do you think of the price? Was it good? Was it within your range? Let me know in the comments. I'm interested to know. But otherwise, if you found value in this video, then please consider subscribing to the channel, and thanks for watching.